أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The first they start the name of Allah who's most merciful and beneficious. And Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you will find. And first I wanna congratulations to those students who have succeeded in matriculation exam. And best wishes for their bright futures and our rising star. And today we will discuss a journal topic. And here with me Mr. Ata Muhammad is my best friend. And the first of all, the we gratitude of Almighty Allah who given us opportunity to conduct first program of improve communication skill. And today we will discuss a journal topic about importance of English in our life and in our daily routine. And Mr. Atta here with us, and he is a great speaker of English. And the first question is that is question is your mind and come with me. And how to improve self-speaking skill at home. Mr. Atta, first of all, introduce yourself shortly.
Yeah, well, very good question. As you asked that, how can we improve our self-speaking or skills? The first one thing that if you have a good kind of environment for to improve yourself, uh, im- um, speaking, uh, the first one thing is that you have to manage your uh, allowance rooms, and you must have a huge mirror over there, and then you go for to practice and stand in front of that one mirror, and you start whatever you want to say in front of your mirrors you can do, and you can improve yourself uh, speaking easily because of this one thing will help you to improve your speaking easily. And at the end of the time you will uh, feel a huge pleasure that what I did from this one method, it will be very useful and fantastic for you. So that's enough.
Oh, very great. You are saying absolutely right. Is a very powerful method for improve your communication skill. And the second one, this question is that what is the basic foundation for speaking?
The basic foundation for speaking is you must have a good kind and a huge kind of vocabulary. If you have the vocabulary, and you then you go for to stand in front of your mirror, and then you can use these words and repeat these words again and again, and by this way you can improve your speaking and your all over these things. And onto this the scholar and the people is saying that practice makes perfect, and by this way you can improve your basic one thing, and this one thing is too much important and necessary for to improve your vocabulary and something like this. And by this one thing is very, this one thing will be very helpful for you, and you must go for to use and apply this one thing for yourself.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. You are saying absolutely right. Practice make perfect. Yes,
Yeah.
I am 100% agree with you. And the third one is that how to build your vocabulary and how to enhance our vocab building.
Yeah, this one is also very good questions. And once you wanted to improve your vocabulary, you must have some material. If you have the material and go for to and give a huge concentration on that one materials, and use the deducing method for to make and learn this vocabulary. If you are using the deductive method for to learn vocabulary, and then nothing can stop you for to learn and to get
Yeah.
this vocabulary. And as you are using this method, and this method will help you for to improving your vocabulary easily. And to you, I'm also wanted to uh, 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 saying to you that go for to use this one vocab method, and by this method you can improve your vocabulary easily. And I hope that you will use this method for to making yourself and getting a huge kind of vocabulary by the decisive way.
Yes, yes, your decisive skill is very necessary for writing uh, uh, and a high level exam, and you are saying absolutely right. And no barrier in your communication skill if you have to grip on decisive skill. Yes, very nice. And the third one is that how to overcome fearless. And some people, when he speak English in front of the people, and he feel shy and he feel hesitation and he stop, and the words come is not in his mind. And
Yeah,
what is the how to overcome in this situation,
yeah, yeah.
in this conditions?
Yeah, nice question. As you asked, how should we be an fearless in front of a huge crowd? If you have a confidence, so that time you can deliver your speech uh, easily, and this the hope and the confidence will boost your all over the thing which one you have in your mind, and you can easily deliver this all thing to your listener and audience. And then at these times you can you must have a good kind of a picture in your heart and mind that I'm everything in that time, because I'm the master, and the people who is listening to me, they are mm, uh, it means that they not uh, so mm, better than me. So
Yeah,
follow and uh, mm, do something like this, and you can get your confidence. And as much you are seeing that I'm losing my confidence, so that time you have also uh, realize yourself that I can do
yes,
everything. Nothing can stop me for to doing something in front of this
yeah,
huge crowd. And I hope that you will follow this method, and inshallah you will get some more benefit from this one
yeah.
very easily.
Yeah, practice, 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 because practice make perfect.
Yeah.
Yes, you are saying absolutely right. And the last question, last but not the least, is how to manage our daily routine with English spoken.
Mm. Yeah, if you are functional of the time, it means that you can do your daily activities. If you are not functional of the time, it means that one day you will do, and the other day you will go for to outside and outside to part of doing the other kind of activities. By this way, it means that you can't manage your daily routine and your daily activities. If you are going this all thing with the daily routine, it means that you are going on the right way. If you are not the function of the time, it means that it is too much harmful for you, and it may harms you, because you must be punctual of the time, because punctuality of the time is too much important for to getting
Yeah,
success in your lives. um, you must give much more important to your time, and you must manage, and you have to be a good kind of timetable for to do everything in the daily basis which one you want to get in your lives. So this thing is too much important. Keep it in your mind and do something like this, and manage your daily routines. It will help you for to getting a huge kind of success in your life.
okay, Mr. Zain, last is that what's your valuable suggestion for metric part student who will starting their news careers, and he is our rising shine. And what's your valuable suggestion for those students in very shortly?
The first one thing that I wanted to say to all over the student who passed the matriculation, that they are now also in that one condition, that they are also having a huge hard works. If
Yeah,
they are uh, uh, just show their laziness, so it means that it will be harmful for that, for all those students who is now newly come out from to the matriculation. So they must be punctual of the time, and they do hard works. Without hard work they can't do anything, and by the hard work they can get everything. After the intermediate they can continue their education comfortable, because of what, if they
mm,
have make a huge and a strengthened base for to go on the head. So it is very important for to all over this student who is coming now from to the intermediate. So it is very important for all those students who is now came out from to the matriculation. They must be functional at the time,
yeah.
and they must be manage their
And
routine. And
respect their teacher and respect their parents as well.
yeah, all over
Yes,
these things,
the main
because
things.
moral ethic and
Yeah,
morality is too much important for
yeah,
every
yeah,
student. If
definitely.
any one student is following the ethic and morality,
Yeah,
they never be fall in every where, because the ethic and morality is too much important for every student. If they are listening their teacher, and once upon a time there a time will come, the whole world will be listen that one person.
yeah. A student should be down to earth person, I think
Yeah.
you wanna say that. Okay, dear students, and dear listener, my sister and brother. I hope that you got it all important points we have discussed in this first program. And thank you so much. Jazakallah. See you again next time. Allah Hafiz.